Finally, Galaxy Z Flip 5 looks ready to take on Razr Plus and leaked real-world images. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is just a day away now, and as is always the case, we seem to know pretty much everything about the clamshell already, thanks to leaks in Samsung's own promos. But then again, this is a new phone, and there's no way to be sure about things until Samsung officially announces the phone. One of the key upgrades expected this year is a new hinge, which is supposed to enable the gapless design that Chinese foldable phones are known for. Although there was little reason to doubt this leak, one report suggested that the phone will close perfectly shut, but a new set of images posted by tipster Gary and Hen suggests that was a false alarm. The 4 images confirm the 2 biggest design improvements that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is expected to flaunt this year. Firstly, as countless leaks have said, the outer screen appears to have grown in size. If rumors are to be believed, it has gone from 1.9 inches to 3.4 inches. More importantly, it will reportedly be able to run full versions of popular Google apps. The bigger screen should allow it to compete favorably with the likes of the Motorola Razr Plus, which have been appreciated for their generous and more useful cover units than the Flip 4. The other big change is, of course, the sleek new design with no gap in between when the phone is folded. As for that pesky crease, it still seems to be there, but is hardly noticeable and is unlikely to stop the Galaxy Z Flip 5 from becoming one of the best foldable phones of 2023. This is not the first time that we are seeing the wild photos of the Galaxy Z Flip 5, but the previous one showed the phone shrouded in a thick case. The phone will likely be powered by a custom version of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and could be a little prissier than the outgoing model. Tomorrow is the day that Samsung introduces the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5 to the world, alongside the new Galaxy Tab S9 slates and Galaxy Watch 6 series. This also means that today is your last chance to score $50 Samsung credit by reserving a unit or units. There are less than 24 hours left on the countdown clock. The phones, tablets, and watches still aren't official, of course, but this isn't really a pre-order. You just sign up on Samsung US with your name and email. Then if you decide to go through with the purchase, you will get the $50 credit. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.